Hello friends, in this lecture we will create this soap case. So let's start with the annex, and here we have one top view, front view and side view and the detailed view of A. See, here is a detailed view. So I'm going to start from the top view. So first of all I'm going to create this, and later I will cut it with this, and this slot are we will do at the last. So sketch, and here I'm going to click, and I'm going to start with the rectangle, and center rectangle I'm using. Now dimension 8, 35 and 50. So this is 35 and 50, and close, and fillet is 4 and 2.5. Okay, I think it is in millimeter, inches. This radius is, all the dimension is mm, so we will create in mm only. The fillet is 2.5, so click here 2.5 and click over the intersection point, and this point and this vertical line consonant, and same this point and this line, make them consonant. Exit and extrude it 10.5, change it to connected curve, and the value is 10.5, and close, maximize it, hide this, and click here. We can see the fillet is 5. Okay, or we can do, first we will cut it, then we will define this fillet. Click here on this, now orient it. Okay, zoom it, and here with the circle. Okay, I'm going to start with the circle. The total is 10.5, so circle will come inside this, and select this circle and this outer edge, make them tangent. Okay, select this and click, make them tangent. Okay, and the radius of this circle is 5, so I'm going to change it, this circle to 10, so this is 10. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5, so I'm going to pattern it, the circle linear in this direction, and distance is 5 and the distance is 10, and click OK. Now this opposite fillet, and we can use circle or fillet, anything we can use. So 1.5 is a fillet, I want fillet in between these two, click, and same here, click, same here, click, and here also click. Now stop. Now my curve is complete. I'm going to trim it, all are trim. So first click here, and from this point and from here to this, now use this trim and trim it. It is not matching with this, so I'm going to extend it. Okay, and if you don't want this, just make it as a reference, and same for this line. Now I'm going to define this value, whatever you want, just define it, so that my sketch will be a complete, fully constrained. So exit. Now finish it and select this and extrude symmetrically on the both side, and the thickness is 35, so 20 and 20 both side. See, okay, now result will like this. We can cut it with the help of trim, or we have the option here, just go to subtract, before that select this open, and I want to subtract, and flip the direction and click OK. Now see, okay, and here we have to assign this fillet. So I'm going to select this, and this side is also filleted, so I'm going to apply this flit, click this one, 5, no, this radius is 2.5, so 2.5 here and 2.5 over this. Okay, if you want to hide this, just hide. Okay, now I am going to apply this shell. So click here, shell, and the thickness is 1, so click it. So upper face will remove, only this will left. Okay, here we have the color. If you want to apply any color, so we can also assign any color. Okay, see. Okay, and now we can apply this plastic from this, drag and drop, so plastic will apply and it will give you the realistic effect. Okay, and we have this glossy paint, so glossy paint will come. Okay, no problem. So next we have to create this cut and this cut. So I'm going to select this middle plane, or we can do one thing, just select this upper face and I'm going to select this rectangle with this, click, and here, and one more circle rectangle here. Okay, now I'm going to define this. From the front it is 25 and from side it is 20, so change it to 20. Okay, and the length is doesn't matter, you just select both and make them equal, and double click over it, and the distance is 65. Close and finish. Now I'm going to cut this. First one is 2, the bigger one is 2 in reverse direction, apply, and this one reverse direction, and the depth of this one is also 2. Okay, that's good. Okay, and now hide this. Now I'm going to create this slot, so select the top plane and draw a rectangle here. I'm using a simple rectangle. Okay, 2-point rectangle, click. Okay, don't select any point, okay, otherwise it will create any constraint that will may not be our useful. And this thickness is 2 and the length is 25. And the fillet is, click here and draw a circle here and one more circle here, and this distance is, now we have to define the distance, and the distance is from, see, this is 3.5, I think this is 3.5. Okay, so define this 3.5 from the outer. Yes, it is from the outer. 3.5 and close and use this trim. I don't require this inner one, and zoom it and reference. Now I'm going to use this pattern and connect it, or tangent, select this tangent, and my direction is this, and instance is 3 to 5 and the gap is 10.25, and okay, now finish and exit and change it to infra and select all this and cut it, subtract 2. Okay, just preview. Okay, only the bottom seat is remain. Here we have the detail A for this, and the position is 10 degree and 3, 1 and 0.25, and its position is 3.5 from here and 3 from the front. So I'm starting from the front So create a new plane from this, and this is 3.5 in reverse direction. Okay, and select this and click it and align it. Okay, now first of all I'm going to define the angle is 10 degree, and from this outer uh, this line is, no sorry, I don't require this angle. I need a distance from this point to this line is 3 and close, and the bottom is 10.5 up to last. So we have to check this, okay, because we have already taken 10.5, so whether it is touching or not we have to see. Okay, just define it. So from this to this lower point is 10.5. It is going inside. That's why I'm telling you, first we have to check its position is proper and define it 10, so this value will be 0.5. The sketch is properly constrained, and this length, okay, no need for this length. This is 2.5, so I'm selecting this 2, and first select this 10. It is showing this 10.5, so any other places it will not given, so just finish it. And extrude is this, no, this extrude, okay, double click it and change it to 10 only. Okay, and click and see now this one. Okay, it is here. Now I'm going to revolve this, select this, and the vector is this middle one, and it will unite. Okay, whether it is inside or out. Okay, it is coming outside, no problem, just unite it. Finish. Okay, this is, and here we have to assign a fillet of 0.5. 0.5. Okay, and here we have this delete face. I want to delete this and this face and apply. Okay, now if you want to mirror, just revolve, fillet and delete. I think it will not work with this mirror feature. I want to mirror with this, apply, and this mirror and all these with respect to this middle one, and okay. Okay, and see it is here, or hide this one and use this delete, apply, and same I am doing with other piece. So this is our model. I think you know it how to create now.